Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will learn how to lock images in cells. We have certain flower names over here along with the images of the flowers. Let us select the heading, go to data and do filter. Let us filter some names. Let me have lotus, rose and tulip present. I've selected these three and I say OK. If you see here in tulip, you see multiple images are overlapped on each other. So it's not locked in the cell. The cell is moving. When the cell moves via filter, the images also moves. So we need to fix this. So how do we do this? So what you first do is you go to home and here in find and select, you do go to special and then select objects and then say OK. Once your objects, which is your images, are selected, right click and go to size and properties. Once you go to size and properties, you see here select move and size with cells. So we select that particular option and we say OK. Now let's try once again to filter our data. Let us select hibiscus, lotus, rose and tulip. You see, we don't have that overlapping issue which we have seen. So this is how you lock the image in the particular cell. So when we are filtering it also, there is no issues created. So I hope you understood how to do this in Excel. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.